Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my frugality channel, Skint Living UK. On Saturday, I went to Aldi and did what I call my £10 poverty food shop, where I bought a fair few bits of shopping. Hopefully that will last me near enough a week. As part of that, I got 2 big leeks that were reduced to 50% off. So I decided to use the leeks up straight away. So I'm going to use one today and one tomorrow for tonight's main meal. I'm going to be cooking cock-a-leekie soup, which is chicken and leek soup. So I got one of the chicken legs and I pulled the skin off because I will fry that up for my dog because she loves it. And in this roasting dish here, I put a big knob of butter and a big dash of garlic granules. You can use fresh garlic if you want. And I added the chicken piece. There it is here. Been browning it all the way. And then, for added flavour, I just grated some salt and pepper on top. I just use pepper. I don't tend to use salt in my cooking because I'm always worried about blood pressure. So I've also boiled up a kettle of water. So every time I'm in here, my dog needs to come and drink. I think she just wants attention. Every time. So I've boiled some water. I'm going to add this in. I've got the oven on because I'm cooking my son some chicken satay. So I thought I'll throw the soup in the oven. Usually I cook it on the stove top with the lid on, but because I've got the oven on anyway, I thought I'll throw the soup in. And what I'll do is after about half an hour or so, I'm going to check on it and take the chicken off the bone. Leave the bone in for a bit longer because it gives the soup some flavour. And then I will chop the chicken up, throw back in and cook for a little bit longer. So it takes about an hour in the oven to make the chicken all soft. The chicken satays take about 40-45 minutes. And today I've been good, I've had my bread maker out and I've made a loaf. So I will do a video for that. It'll probably be up tomorrow on Sunday night and or Monday to show you how I make bread in my bread maker machine, because I'm worried about all the chemicals and all the salt in the loaves at the moment. I just think they last forever, so I'm just like, yeah, I'll make a loaf. God, this dog, every time I'm in the kitchen she thinks, oh I know, my mum's in the kitchen, I need to start doing that, because she you know this. So I'll go over the recipe again. Knob of butter, dash of garlic, heat them in the pan, and while the butter is melting, add your leek chopped up, which has been rinsed under the tap, chopped up and thrown in. Cook it for a couple of minutes or so. Add your chicken, whatever shape format comes in. I've used a whole leg because I bought chicken legs. And then it's salt and pepper to taste and some boiling water. Dead simple chicken and leek soup, or as I call it, cock-a-leekie. So what temperature is the oven on? It's about 250 degrees. I think that's about gas 6. And I'm going to have it with lashings of my lovely bread and butter. So I'm going to throw that in the oven now and yum it up later. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll try and do a meal every day to show you what I do with the items I bought in my £10 poverty food shop. So yeah, look's now finished. She stopped. So I'm sorry about all the noise. Typical dog, isn't it? They're just like me. So drop us a comment if you could give us a thumbs up and or a comment, because that helps YouTube algorithm to know that I exist. Bye for now.